So if you're having troubles getting your seat down because that lock is different than the key that you have, it's keyed differently, then it's pretty much the same. Here's the latch, and I'll show you how to unlatch it. Before you go drilling it out right there, you want to come back here and make sure you've got these on there. And then you just pull them. There's this side, that side. Here's the latch for that one. And there's the other one. Cool. I wish they didn't put that little shape there. And then we're gonna take the bottom of the seat out.